Hi, guys. There's a little morning meditation that I often do that allows me to reclaim, realign, reestablish a connection with myself as I begin my day, as I allow the day to take complete control of me. Because once we get into the rut of doing, it's just one thing after another and it goes on. So, a simple practice that you and I can both enjoy anywhere at any point. Personally, I like to do this practice when I wake up. I take a few moments in bed. Sometimes I'll have already left the room and it would have occurred to me that, oh, I should have given myself a little bit of time before giving all my time away. So I would sit down, make a cup of coffee, gaze outside the window, take a deep breath, and embark on this little journey to reconnect with myself. So if you're with me, let's practice this a little. You can do this at any point in your day, at any point at all. And I welcome you to just breathe into this moment, feel into this moment. And just for this breath, we'll check out of the mind and check into the body. So as you breathe in, just very gently become aware of where you are seated, where you find yourself, how your body is resting on your chair, on your sofa, on your bed, on the earth. You see the bones of the body are the pillars that hold this entire structure up. And in this meditation, we're going to reconnect with the bones of the body, establishing their relationship with gravity. So feeling the bone structure sink into gravity, feeling that connection, feeling that surrender. And imagining that each and every bone stacks up onto the other. So starting with the feet, imagine and tune in to the ankles stacking up on top of the feet where you are. The knees on top of the ankles, the hips on top of the knees, and then very slowly feeling into your spinal column and knowing that every single vertebrae stacks up on top of each other. Let go of your shoulders, drop your elbows down, feel a gentle limpness in your wrists. Breathing in, let's soften the throat, the jawline, the facial muscles, corners of the eyes, the space between your eyebrows. Make a little space there. And finally, your scalp. Soften there. Let's breathe in to the belly. So no shallow breathing in the chest, but drawing the inhale all the way into the belly button and maybe even below the belly button, inflating the belly with the in-breath and deflating, exhaling out completely. It's a gentle check-in. Though we tune into the body, And that's where we start. Any place in the body that is encountering any discomfort, any pain, any tension, just acknowledge and feel into it without trying to fix or solve a problem. For now, we're just here. We're just here in this body vehicle, feeling the feels that are arising. Breathing in and just being present with all that there is, with all that the body, mind, and soul is showing you. We simply observe, we simply hang out with ourselves. And what appears to be so simple is the one thing that we never make the time to give ourselves. So I hope you will practice this gentle check-in from time to time in your day. It may start with a fraction of a minute, but with daily practice, it can grow. And you find yourself meditating and being with your body, your mind, your soul, your inner world, which is just as precious, if not more, than your outer world, because it is the inner world that is reflected in the outer world. So make time and make space for it, and allow yourself these luxurious moments of indulgence. They're good for the mind, the body, and the soul. Have a beautiful day.